In front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, just click on gear 1. Select voice typing over here and then enable it by tapping on gray switcher next to use voice typing. Then go back and click on it. Choose allow. Tap on while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Like that. Now my favorite part. Tap on your microphone and select tiny icon that will appear on the left of it. This one. Hit next. Select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. You can delete text by clicking on this button with an X. You can move your toolbar around by holding it, dragging it, and letting go wherever you want to. To access some available options, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, tap on keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!